Hey, what's going on, everybody? So in today's video, I want to show you all the collection of my Alocasias. So these Alocasias are starting to wake up. I don't know if it's just the longer days and the warmer temperature. I'm starting to see a lot of movement and growth. So I just wanted to show y'all my collection of those. And you know, I ain't gonna just stop right there. I also want to show you all how I purchase some of my rare and uncommon house plants for cheap. I'm gonna show y'all what I do, where I go. So stick around and come shopping with me. Okay, so the first plant I want to show y'all is the Alocasia Silver Dragon. So this one has a baby growing out of one of the corms. That one just popped out recently, and it also has this new growth back here. So I bought this one as a small starter plant, and I want to talk a little bit more about starter plants in a minute. But before I do that, I also want to show you all, it's the Alocasia dragon scale. So this is like the normal green dragon. It has like some silver blush on in the pattern, but overall it's like green. This one shut down during the winter. It shut all the way down, and it's starting to come back. So yeah, so I want to talk about starter plants because I purchased both of these. Well, you know what, all the Alocasias that's in my collection I purchased as starter plants, because you know, when you purchase a starter plant, it's like they come in a plug. It's like I would say some type of a growing media that you know they call a plug, and normally these have like a good root system inside that small little plug. And the fact that the plant is small, it's able to be securely packaged, and it actually acclimates pretty well to when you ship it. Being that if you know, I buy these starter plants online, Etsy in particular, and I've had 100% success rate with purchasing starter plants because first and foremost, the price is cheap, and then the plant is small enough to be securely packaged, and then the plugs that they sell them in have a good root system on them, so your plant can, you know, acclimate to your home and do well. So right now I want to show y'all some Etsy shops. Come shopping with me on my computer. I know y'all thought we were gonna go to some type of storefront, but come shopping with me on my computer, and I'm gonna show you all where I purchase a lot of starter plants because they're cheap, and it's a good way to acquire some rare plants and you know, watch them grow and have them acclimate to your environment. So after we shop online, I'll show you the rest of the Alocasia collection. Okay, y'all, come shopping with me. Hopefully you all have an Etsy account. I think an Etsy account is very essential if you like to collect plants. First shop we're going to go to is called Salad Beard Farms. They're out of Apopka, Florida. They have about, what, 15,000 sales, 5-star rated. And this is my, it's a lot of come-ups in this shop. Look at right here, we have, this is like Alocasia Black Velvet and Maharani starter plants for $20 together. So you're getting two cool Alocasias for only 20 bucks, free shipping. Yeah, that's wild right there. So this one, it says if I were to order this today, it would be delivered to my zip code within about 5 to 7 days. So that's not bad at all. Some additional photos. Again, I love Salad Beard Farms. So this new plant right here, I've been seeing this one online, and I cannot say the name of it. It's called the Apple, but I ain't gonna be able to say that. But I just call it the Machiavelli because it has that Lavelli common name in parentheses. But anyhow, it's $40, and it looks kind of like a Brantianum crossed with the Atabapoense or something. It has the purple undersides. It's a really cool looking plant. And as you can see, look, I know how to spot. I see like at the base there's like some offshoots, so it's probably more than one plant. And that's the plug media that they send it in. I remove all of that after a couple weeks to put it in my own media. But yeah, check this new plant out. I need to read up on this genus. And then there's a quarter for scale. And yeah, look close to the base of that plug. You can actually see an additional shoot. I always spot stuff like that. Okay, so let's go back. See what else they got. Look at these prices. Like, these are all starter plants, so you're getting great prices. Well, look, I see 2 philodendron giganteum starter plants for about $35. That's not bad at all. And look, the one on the left, I see multiple shoots out of that one. I'm always spotting that. So, the come up is real. That's not a bad price at all for 2 giganteums. And it's springtime, so they should be, growing fast once you get them all set. See what else they got. All right, look, I see a hybrid right here. This is Anthurium radicans crossed with luxurians for $38. I also bought my Anthurium radicans / luxurians from this shop, and it's doing well now. I end up being 2 plants in that plug, so I have 2 Anthurium hybrids. So that's pretty cool. And 100% success rate when it comes to the shipping when I shop at this store. So here's another Anthurium. This is Anthurium clarinervium. I also bought mine from this shop too. And you remember, if you've seen my past video, I said that it was another seed that sprouted out of the plug. So I now have 2 Anthurium clarinervium, but theirs were $40. I think I got mine for $34. Okay, so this next shop is called the Green Escape. They have over 56,000 sales, 5-star rated. They have like a winter cold month insurance that you can purchase so you can get guaranteed live arrival. And look, they have a silver sword starter plant for $15. I see a Dieffenbachia camouflage. I think I'm in the market for one of these. So with this shop, you have to purchase 2 starter plants. So you can either get 2 of the same or two mismatch. So I mean, hey, that's only like $30 that you'll end up spending. But yeah, this Dieffenbachia camouflage is pretty cool. $15. And then you can go get you another plant that costs $15, and then you'll be able to make that 2 starter plant minimum. Here's a Homolomina Selby. And they have Prince of Orange, Raphida the Cursiva. Yeah, they got some stuff. I like this shop right here. Got the Alocasia fry deck, $17. Yeah, I highly recommend that you skim through these 2 shops and see if there's anything that you're in the market for. Oh, I need to get me one of these. So this is the Ficus Pink Belize. So this one, I really like this one compared to the Ruby because some of the leaves come out yellow like a Tanique, and then the others will come out pink or red like the Ruby. That's pretty cool. $15 for a starter plant. They have Colocasia. They have Philodendron Fuzzy Petio for $14. Alocasia Sarion. I see Hoya australis lisa, starter plant. Wait, what is this right here? So this says philodendron panderiform, but that looks like it's coming from, I don't know. Hoya cortisii, $14. See, they have these different Bacchias for a little of nothing. I mean, just to get one of these for cheap, I feel like it's not so much of a sacrifice. Look at this Calathea. I don't really like Calatheas, but that one does look cool. Hoya Wyetii, $18. And what? Philodendron. This is a squamiferum crossed with the pedatum. So that means, yeah, that's a Florida. Philodendron Florida, $20. And I would say that that is a nice size starter plant right there. And like I said, I've purchased for them from these two shops like multiple times, and everything arrives like pristine. Dieffenbachia panther, Alocasia maharani. So I've been seeing this plant right here. This, I guess it says a new hybrid. It's called Philodendron Red King. And they've been trying to just sell the hell out of this plant. But I mean, hey, it's a starter plant for only $15. I might just throw that one in the bag. Yeah. Hoya pubicalis. Oh my damn. Look, they got this Ficus shiveriana starter plant for $100. Now, if y'all don't know, this ficus right here is like a $300 to $400 plant. So guess what? I'm definitely about to get that one like right now. And you know, this Ficus shiveriana, this plant is like the ficus that comes, like you never know what color the new leaf will come out. And I'm gonna show you pictures. This plant is amazing. It's the dopest rubber tree of all times. So I'm definitely getting that. I'll let you know that right now. See, they have some other carnivorous plants, some jewel orchids. Oh, there goes that Brantianum Machiavelli plant again. So they're selling theirs for $40. I guess that's $2 more than Salad Beard Farms. But that's a cool looking plant. Yeah, that purple underside is crazy. And see, theirs, look, they have multiple shoots. I can see that. Yeah, the come up is real out here. Yeah, they got various syngoniums and, man, yeah, visit these two shops because you might just find something you like. So the next plant I want to show you is the Alocasia Zabrina reticulata. This one actually has new growth coming in, if you can see that. And this one I want to become a giant. Like I really want this one to just get really huge, because I had the regular Alocasia Zabrina and it was, I would say it had to be like close to 4 feet tall. And I sold it. But this one I'm gonna keep. I mean, you already know how Alocasias do. Once they get to a substantial size, sometimes even before that, they'll start to grow little pups off the side. There's little corms that come off of the roots, and then they'll just pop right out of the soil, and then you'll have a whole new Alocasia. As a matter of fact, let me see. This is one of the corms from my Alocasia Silver Dragon. Let me see if you can see the little sprout right there. So I'll have another silver dragon because when I repotted my silver dragon, it was all of these corms in here. So I potted, I think one or maybe a couple of them. I potted up a couple of them so I can have more silver dragons. But yeah, this is the Alocasia Sabrina reticulata. And I guess it's called a reticulata because it has like this vein, the contrast in the veining, which is pretty cool. So this pattern, I know it's gonna look cool on like a really big leaf. Like once the leaves just get to like, you know, the size of my torso, like that's gonna be crazy, right? Yeah. So the next one is the Alocasia Quilted Dreams. This one looks a lot like the silver dragon, but I don't know, it is different. I see the difference. It's a lot more pillowy, and it just has like the like silver, like at the raised portions you see like the little silver blush on it. But this one is starting to wake up because I thought this one was a goner. You know, them short days and that cold temperature was really doing a number on this plant, but it's back, and it's, you know, it's in effect. So once again, this is Alocasia Quilted Dreams. And the last Alocasia that I want to show you is Mr. King Cooper right here. Look at him just going crazy. This Alocasia it looks very extraterrestrial. Like, why did God do this? Look what God did. It looked like it just looks like a cheap leather couch or something. Like, I don't know. This is a special looking Alocasia right here, and I love it. This looks fire. So this is Alocasia Cuprea Red Secret. And if you look at the back of the leaf, it's a very maroon colored. And let's see how many, it's holding on to 4 leaves. To be honest, it was a couple leaves that I just plucked off, but you know, this one does a good job of holding on to a good number of leaves, because normally Alocasias will drop a leaf as soon as a new one comes out. But these are starting to get big. As you can see, it's the same size as my head by now. So that is the last plant that I have to show you all. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Aroid District here. And hey, don't sleep on those starter plants. Get you some starter plants. This is a good time to purchase a lot of these starter plants. And come on, let's just extend our collection. Let's do it. All right, I'm out.